Welcome to Motor Mania, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we dive into an automotive icon reborn for the modern era. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is a nostalgic tribute to the past while embracing cutting-edge technology and contemporary styling. The original 2CV was an icon of simplicity, practicality, and efficiency, and this new iteration retains that philosophy while adding modern flair and performance. The exterior design of the 2025 Citroën 2CV pays homage to the original model with its unmistakable rounded shape, corrugated body panels, and minimalist aesthetic. However, it now features sleek LED headlights, a refined front grille, and aerodynamic improvements for better efficiency. The compact size remains a key characteristic, making it a perfect urban companion while still being capable of tackling countryside roads with ease. The retro-modern styling is further enhanced with unique color options, giving buyers the chance to personalize their vehicle to match their taste. Stepping inside, the cabin maintains the spirit of simplicity while incorporating modern-day comfort and technology. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a digital instrument cluster providing essential driving information. A touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity ensures that drivers and passengers stay connected on the go. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with sustainable materials, staying true to Citroen's commitment to eco-friendly production. Ample headroom and clever storage solutions make the compact interior feel spacious and practical. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is available in both electric and hybrid variants. The fully electric model is powered by a compact yet efficient battery pack, offering a respectable range for daily commuting and weekend adventures. Fast charging capabilities make it convenient for modern lifestyles, reducing downtime and increasing usability. The hybrid version combines a small internal combustion engine with an electric motor for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Both options ensure that the new 2CV remains an environmentally friendly choice while staying true to its legacy of efficiency and affordability. Driving the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a unique experience that blends nostalgia with innovation. The suspension system, inspired by the original model, delivers a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The lightweight construction and responsive steering make it agile in city traffic, while the enhanced stability ensures confidence on highways. The instant torque from the electric motor provides brisk acceleration, making urban driving effortless and enjoyable. The regenerative braking system helps improve efficiency by recovering energy while slowing down. Safety is a key focus in the modern 2CV, with advanced driver assistance systems providing extra peace of mind. Features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control help prevent accidents and improve overall driving comfort. The reinforced chassis and impact-absorbing materials ensure that occupants are well protected in case of a collision. Another highlight of the 2025 Citroën 2CV is its affordability and low cost of ownership. Citroën has positioned this car as an accessible mobility solution for a wide range of drivers. With low running costs, minimal maintenance requirements, and an emphasis on sustainability, it continues the legacy of the original 2CV as a car for the people. Its simple yet stylish design, combined with practical features, makes it a compelling choice for those looking for an economical and character-filled vehicle. For those who appreciate customization, Citroën offers various accessory packages and special edition trims. From vintage-inspired elements to modern sporty touches, buyers can tailor their 2CV to suit their personality. Limited edition models with exclusive paint finishes and design details celebrate the heritage of the original car while incorporating contemporary refinements. The 2025 Citroën 2CV represents a perfect blend of past and future, keeping the essence of the beloved classic alive while adapting to modern automotive trends. It is a car that brings joy to driving with its charming personality, comfortable ride, and efficient performance. Whether it is being used for daily commuting, weekend road trips, or simply as a nostalgic statement piece, it captures the essence of practical motoring with a touch of French elegance. Thank you for watching Motor Mania. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of exciting new cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and we will see you in the next video.